Hello class, I am going to teach you how to take your MAP test. Now you're going to look for the app that looks like this, the black button with the yellow NWEA on it, and you're going to tap it. And it is going to take you to this screen. Now, when we take the real test on Wednesday and Friday, your teacher will send you the session name and the session password. Now, but today we're going to focus on the practice test so I can show you how this works. So we're going to tap the try the practice test, and it's going to take you to this screen. Now the username and the password for the practice test is GROW. So you're going to tap in there and you're going to make sure it's all lowercase, and you're going to type the word GROW and get your mom and dad to help you to do this. You're going to hit the arrow again to make it all lowercase and type in GROW. Then you're going to tap the blue button with the white arrow. And then you're going to hit yes when you get here. Now the grade, we're going to put kindergarten, K. We're going to start off with our math test. And then we have to put our test language. You can either choose English or Spanish. So we're going to push English, and now I'm going to again hit the blue button with the white arrow.
Look at the shapes. Choose the cube.
Now, your test is going to talk to you. If you need to listen to the question again, you're going to tap this speaker button. Anytime you see that speaker, you can tap and it will talk to you.
Choose the cube.
So then you're going to take your best, you're going to look at the shapes and you're going to pick which one you think is the cube, and you're going to tap it. Now, if you tap that and that's not really the answer you want, you can just tap another one and it'll switch. And when the round circle is colored in, that's when you have your answer. Now, look down here. You have a blue button with a black arrow. When you finish one question, you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to the next question.
Look at the pencils. Move the short pencils to the short pencils box. Move the long pencils to the long pencils box.
Okay, now this, I can tap the speaker, and it's going to read this for me.
Short pencils. Long pencils.
All right, now, so I want to put the short pencils here and the long pencils here, so I'm going to tap this, and then I'm going to tap where I want it to go. I'm going to tap it and then tap where I want it to go. So you touch what you want to move, and then you tap where you want it to go, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to tap this, and I'm going to put it over here because those are long pencils. And then I'm going to hit the blue button with the arrow, and it's going to take me to my next question.
Putting an X on a cookie means it is taken away. Move the X to the cookies to show 5, take away 2.
So the way I'm going to move the X's, I'm going to tap it, and then and it's going to go onto a cookie. So how many do I want to take away? And then I'm going to hit the next button. When I am finished with the test, I'm going to hit this blue button that says Exit Test. And it's going to take me back to this page. Then I can do reading. So I'm going to go to K. I'm still in the practice test. I just did math, so I'm going to practice reading now. I'm going to put the test language, English, and then I'm going to hit the blue button with the white arrow.
Match the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters.
Now remember, if I need to listen to it again, I'm going to click the speaker button. Now to move the letters, I'm going to tap the letter, and then I'm going to tap where I want it to go. So that's how you get your items to move. I'm going to tap, and then I'm going to tap where I want it to go. I'm going to tap, and I'm going to put it where I want it. And then I'm going to tap it and put it where I want it. That's very important. Now I'm going to click the blue button down here to go to the next question.
Click on the word what.
And you're going to continue going through the tests like this for your practice.
Click on all the things that are animals.
Now, what I want to teach you here is It says click on all the things that are animals. Well, let's say you're not sure what that is. If you tap on it, it'll tell you what it is.
Tree. Lion. Flower. Dog. Raccoon.
All right, now I've got them all checked, but all of those aren't animals. So to uncheck it, I just tap it again.
Tree. Flower.
So I uncheck it. Now I've got the 3 animals. But if you don't know what it is, you can tap on it and it will tell you the name of it. Then you're going to click the blue arrow, the blue box again.
Look at the pictures. Which word is the best label for the pictures?
Now remember, let's say I don't know what these are. I can tap this speaker button and they will tell me.
Game. Doll. Ball.
Now, I can't read these words. I'm just in kindergarten, so I can touch the word
Farm.
and it will read it for me, and it automatically puts it up there. I don't know that that's the answer yet, so I'm going to keep checking all of them.
Lunch. Pets. Toys.
So whichever one I touch, it's going to read it, and then it's going to put it in the box. Now, toys, I think toys is the correct answer, so I'm going to leave it there. But let's say I don't think that's the right answer. I can go here,
Farm.
and it will replace it.
Toys.
And then you're going to continue going on. As you go through this test, the questions are going to get harder. You're not expected to know all of the answers. When you come to a question you're not sure of, just really look at it and try your best and take your best guess and put the one that you think is the correct answer. Just do the best you can. Take your time. I am looking forward to seeing how well you will do on this test.